Meanwhile, the New South Wales state government is watching the situation closely to ensure the threat of a second wave of COVID-19 emerging from Victoria does not affect its plan to reopen its economy. Kenny Heatley joins us live now from the New South Wales Health Headquarters. Kenny, the Premier is being briefed again this morning by the Chief Health Officer.
That's right, Pete. Yes, Premier Gladys Berejiklian will be meeting with Dr Kerry Chant again this morning following initial emergency briefings held yesterday to discuss the daily spike in cases across the border into New South Wales. And now the Premier will be considering if any measures will need to be taken here in New South Wales as a result of the threat of a second wave of COVID-19 occurring across the border into Victoria. Around 80% of cases of last week's cases across the nation were emerging from Victoria. 5 cases reported in New South Wales on Sunday, all from overseas returned travellers and all in hotel quarantine at the moment. Now, the border currently remains open between Australia's 2 most populous states, and with school holidays expected to start in Victoria on Friday, there was hopes that some of that interstate travel would help boost the New South Wales economy with people coming across the border from Victoria. That now looks to be on hold, with Victoria's Chief Health Officer advising Victorians against interstate travel at the moment. Now, last week we heard from the federal government just how much these social distancing measures and the state border closures were hurting the economy, with about 5,000 jobs being lost across the nation. We heard the unemployment rate rise up to 7.1% and 165 jobs being lost per day in New South Wales, along with $21 million in lost economic activity, and any sort of recovery most likely now being put on hold with the situation in Victoria. So they're going to be watching the situation closely today, and we'll probably be hearing from the Premier of New South Wales a bit later today as well.